Hello everyone, and welcome to the Well Baby channel. Today, we have 23 homemade, nutrient-rich, and easy-to-prepare baby meals that are great for the growth and development of your little one. Make sure to watch until the last tip, because I'm sure it will be very valuable to all of you first-time parents out there. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you as much as possible with your little ones. Now, without further ado, let's go right into the video. The following are 23 baby food recipes that are healthy and simple to prepare and can help infants develop their palates while exposing them to new sensations. Before giving your child any new foods, you should always discuss the matter with their pediatrician first, particularly if they have food allergies or other dietary requirements. Rice, carrots, and potatoes. Mash together 2 tablespoons of rice, which should first be cleaned with water and then rinsed. Carrots should have their edges trimmed and clipped. Peel and skin the carrot, then slice it very thinly and chop it into pieces that are suitable for eating. Combine the carrot and the rice, then stir to combine. Take a small potato and peel the skin off of it. Prepare the potato by chopping it into small chunks. Bring vegetables to a boil in 2 cups of water and cook until tender. Put an end to the cooking and let the mixture cool down. Mix all of the ingredients together and add a little bit of salt to the mixture if the baby is older than 1 year. 2. Carrots and sweet potatoes puree. Carrots and sweet potatoes should each have an equal amount peeled and chopped. Cook by steaming until the vegetables are soft, then puree them. These veggies have a high concentration of beta-carotene, which is beneficial to the eyes and immune system of your infant. 3. Apple-banana puree. Take 2 tablespoons of rice, which must first be washed and rinsed with water. Prepare the apple by coring and peeling it and chop it into small pieces. Include 1 apple in the rice dish. Include 1½ cups of water in the mix. Bring to a boil and continue to cook until the apples are tender. Put an end to the cooking and let the mixture cool down. Put all of the ingredients into a blender and puree them. After adding 1 banana, pulse the mixture twice. Bananas are often regarded as one of the healthiest foods for infants. 4. Applesauce. Apples need to be peeled, cored, and diced. Cook the vegetables until tender by steaming or simmering them. Process the ingredients in a blender or food processor until they achieve the required consistency. There is no need to add sugar because apples already have a natural sweetness to them. 5. Pear puree. Ingredients for pear puree include ripe pears. To prepare, core and dice ripe pears. Instructions. To make a smooth puree, first steam or boil the ingredients until they become soft. There is no requirement for additional sweeteners because pears already have a natural sweetness to them. 6. Avocado mash. Mash a ripe avocado and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of breast milk. Continue mashing and adding breast milk until you get the desired consistency. Serve it as a straightforward and nutrient-dense first course option. The avocado contains a lot of beneficial fats, vitamins, and minerals in its flesh. 7. Sweet potato puree. Just steam or bake 1 sweet potato until it is soft, mash it with a fork or mix it to form a smooth puree, and then stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of breast milk, or more if necessary, to achieve the appropriate consistency. Beta-carotene and fiber content are both high in sweet potatoes. 8. Banana oatmeal. This recipe consists of mixing 1 ripe banana and ½ a cup of cooked oatmeal in a bowl. Bananas are a great source of natural sweetness as well as potassium, while oats are full of fiber. 9. Mashed carrots and apples. Just steam 1 carrot and 1 apple until the vegetables are cooked, and then mash them together. Carrots are a source of beta-carotene, and apples provide their own naturally sweet flavor. 10. A bright green puree. Steam 1/2 cup of peas and 1/2 cup of spinach, then blending the steamed vegetables together in a blender. Iron and vitamins are both included in this blend. 11. Pumpkin porridge. After the pumpkin has been cooked until it is very mushy, puree it in a blender to make the porridge smooth. The next step is to incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of breast milk, or more if necessary, until the consistency is just right. Pumpkin is an excellent source of vitamins and beta-carotene. 12. Plain Greek yogurt. Combined with fruit suggests serving 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt combined with 1/2 cup of mashed berries or 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce as a topping for the yogurt. Protein and calcium are both found in healthy amounts in Greek yogurt. 13. Rice cereal. Made from brown rice. Brown rice may be made into a basic rice cereal by cooking it until it becomes mushy and then blending it with water. In addition to providing nutrients, brown rice also contains dietary fiber. 14. Mashed peaches. Peel and mash 1 ripe peach, then stir in between 1 and 2 tablespoons of breast milk, depending on the desired consistency. This recipe results in a fruit dish that is naturally sweet and full of vitamin content. 15. Mashed broccoli and cauliflower. First, steam 1/2 cup of each vegetable until they are cooked, and then combine the mashed vegetables. This combination offers health benefits in the form of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 16. Baby cereal made with quinoa. Blend 1/2 cup of cooked quinoa with the quantity of breast milk or infant formula of your choice after the quinoa has been cooked until it is mushy. Using this recipe, you may make a cereal that is loaded with protein and nutrients. 17. Mixture of pears and spinach. After steaming, peeling, and coring 1 pear, as well as 1/4 of a cup of spinach, combine the 2 ingredients in a blender to make a puree that is mildly sweet and abundant in nutrients. 18. Banana puree. Contains the following ingredients: mature bananas. To begin, mash a ripe banana until it is completely smooth. To reach the desired consistency, you can thin it up somewhat by mixing it with some breast milk or formulas. Be sure to tune into our other informative videos listed right here on our channel, like Pregnant with Twins and First Trimester Pregnancy Week by Week. You won't want to miss them. 19. Avocado and banana mash. You need ripe avocados and ripe bananas. To make the guacamole, mash a ripe avocado with a banana until the mixture is smooth. This combination offers beneficial fats from the avocado as well as the naturally sweet flavor of the banana. 20. Quinoa and vegetable mash. Cook the quinoa in accordance with the directions on the package. To cook mixed vegetables until they are tender, steam or boil them. First, combine the cooked quinoa and vegetables, and then process the mixture until it reaches the desired consistency. Protein and all 9 essential amino acids can be found in quinoa. 21. Spinach and apple puree. Wilt a handful of fresh spinach by steaming it until it becomes limp. After peeling, coring, and dicing it, an apple should be steamed until it is tender. Spinach that has been boiled in apples should be pureed until smooth. This puree incorporates spinach for its iron content and apple for its naturally sweet flavor. 22. Blueberry oatmeal mash. Prepare the oats in accordance with the directions on the package. Combine the blueberries, whether they are fresh or frozen, that have been thawed with the oats that have been cooked. Oats are a good source of fiber, while blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. 23. Broccoli and cauliflower mash. Broccoli and cauliflower should be steamed together in equal parts until they are soft. Blend, mash, or puree until completely smooth. These cruciferous vegetables are excellent for fostering healthy growth as they are rich in important nutrients and contain a lot of them. Always make sure to introduce new foods gradually and monitor your baby for any signs of allergies. It's also a good idea to consult with your pediatrician before introducing new foods to your baby's diet. To reduce the risk of an allergic reaction, you should only introduce one new food at a time, wait a few days between each introduction, and then move on to the next food. As your infant becomes used to eating solids, you should gradually expand the variety of textures and combinations. Always put safety first by ensuring that foods are properly prepared, mashed, or blended to prevent the risk of choking. Many thanks for watching today. Please like and subscribe if this information is helpful. Please leave any comments or questions below. Good luck on your parenting journey. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.